That wasn't recording, was it?
No.
Chassis slapper.
Right, broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Flattened.
That's it, pop the old drive shaft, so we get that off, fix it out. I've been doing that. 2 more guys have turned up with a load of different cars. So this is, your name?
James.
James. It's got an e-Revo. It's a crawler. I don't know what crawler that is, I'm not into crawlers at the moment. Slash Baja. I don't know which one that is though. Not into petrol or anything at the moment. We've got another e-Revo. Another crawler.
Lossy.
Is that Lossy 5?
Yeah.
Lossy 5.
But I bought that body because they replaced the parts for a year on it.
Right. That's a big boy.
That is very big. That is very, very big. Go straight into me. You've proper done that.
Yeah.
That is really broke.
I know, I didn't want to control it. I didn't want to control it because I was heading towards these guys, so I didn't want to try and do anything with it.
Oh, A-arm's gone probably.
Hang on, battery. No.
It's damage there.
Oh.
Oh.
Hinge pin gone.
Oh, that's not. It looked bad. It was.
Got a shaft bent.
It looked worse. And it was.
Hang on. Shock stand off.
Perfect.
That's bent. That's come out. That's come out. Shock tail might have gone. Chassis a bit twisted.
Again.
That was bad. But we got all the parts, haven't we?
Main thing is no one got hurt.
Yeah.
So I got a hard head anyway.
So, Kraton got put away. We've got the Outcast 4S running on 3S. Look at that beauty.
Standing backflip. Oh.
I'm a tough. Whoa! Right, dog. Oh, that was a nice drift. That was a proper drift up the hole. What are you waffling? Get me. Nose dive. Double bubble. I fell down, didn't realise there was a drop. Was that good?
I don't know, did you fall down?
Yes.
Ah.
Wow. Here comes the granny. That doesn't sound good.
I've saved it. Oh, triple whipple, go.
Watch out for my double backflip.
Ready?
Ripple. Double backy.
I only did a single.
I only did a double.
I can't. Did you both do doubles?
Yeah, I did.
Ah.
I might do a triple next time. You want to make that? Yeah.
I didn't realise you did. You both did doubles.
We need to do a double backflip, triple bubble.
No, we do a triple ripple. Triple ripple with double backflip.
Yeah.
Triple ripple with double backflip. Yes.
What's a ripple?
Triple ripple.
First, one backflip. No, one backflip, one backflip, two backflip, three backflip.
Triple ripple. Triple ripple with double backflip. I wasn't going to get it. Didn't have the power there. Oh, carnage! I think we landed on each other. Have we got any breakages? We survived. 3S Arrma Tough, baby. 3S Arrma Tough.
That was 8. I'm not embarrassing myself.
Triple ripple.
Double bubble.
Double bubble, triple ripple.
Yeah, let's go. Here we go. I only did one.
I did double. Can't see me, don't. Uh oh. Outcast 4S, man down. Motor's gone. Man down. Outcast 4S out the game. We'll call it another day at Grove Wood. It's been another heavy day on the cars, but it's been fun. Has it been fun?
Yeah, it's been fun.
Has it been fun? That 17-year-old's turned into a robot. So the Typhon survived, still running well. The Granite, absolute tank. And our first RC really getting back into the hobby, and the only thing we've had to replace really is the arms and the shock tower. So RPM arms and upgrade the shock towers, but apart from that, it's the staple comes out every time everything else breaks. That comes out and goes home in one piece, surprisingly enough.
So does the Typhon.
The Outcast 4S, unfortunately, looks like the motor might have gone on that, so The XB unfortunately looks like they might have a problem with the motor on that. I'll strip that out tonight, have a look at that. You saw what happened to my V4 Kraton. Back's gone on that. And the knotty, what's wrong with the knotty? Oh, body pins. So, just didn't fancy wrecking the body on that. Body pin, oh, and the switch on the ESC. But anyway guys, another good day, another good session. Get everything repaired up, ready for next weekend.
Arrma tough.
What did we say guys?
Arrma tough.
Arrma tough. What is it?
Arrma Typhon and Granite tough.
Arrma Typhon and Granite tough. Okay guys, well we'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this.
Subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. With your dog.
Take care guys, this is Hardcore RC signing off.
Goodbye.